Lions Karnavati Shantaben Vishnubai Patel Eye Hospital is located in the green outskirts of the city of Ahmedabad. The foundation stone of the hospital was laid on 2nd October 1992 and became functional since 2nd October 1995. This hospital is one of the pioneer projects of Lions Club of Karnavati Foundation with the motto of Sight First. Apart from routine hospital activities, more than 100 outreach camps are organized every year with cataract surgery with IOL implantation to cater to the needs of poor and needy people of rural segment. In order to provide eye care services to the masses, this hospital also runs 8 numbers of vision clinics in different parts of the city of Ahmedabad. Since its inception, more than 8,75,000 patients have been treated as outpatients in this hospital and more than 1,79,000 cataract surgeries have been performed, out of which more than 1,30,000 cataract surgeries were performed free of cost for the benefit of poor patients. The following departments on patient-centric concept are fully functional in the premises of New Comprehensive Eye Care Center. Cataract, retina, glaucoma, diabetic retinopathy, cornea, pediatric ophthalmology, oculoplasty, squint, contact lens clinic, low vision aid, and all lasers. This hospital has been updated according to the NABH guidelines. There are 3 numbers of modular operation theatres class 100. The new Comprehensive Eye Care Center is equipped with the following latest equipments: latest surgical microscopes, phacoemulsification machine, retina laser, fundus camera, OCT, lens star for accurate measurement of IOL power, A-scan, B-scan, autorefractometer, non-contact tonometer, applanation tonometer, slit lamp biomicroscopes, direct and indirect ophthalmoscopes, gonioscope, horizontal sterilizers, and perimetry for glaucoma. This is how today this hospital has risen to the levels of the best eye hospitals in the country.
This hospital was established before 25 years and the work has substantially increased in last 25 years. The instruments which were originally purchased before 25 years needed to be updated with the expansion of the infrastructural facility in the hospital. Originally, this hospital was cataract centric, but the need of the hour is that we have to be multi-speciality service providers, and the management thought of increasing the number of the department delivering such services under one roof. This is where the concept of comprehensive eye care center emerged, and where the patient will be treated perfectly and comprehensively under one roof.